Hello everyone, my name is Lalit Verma. Currently I am pursuing final year in a stream of Electronics and Communication from Axis Institute of Technology and Management, Kanpur. I did my schooling from Christchurch Intermediate College with the aggregate of 80%, and now I will share my journey from 2017 to 2021 in Axis colleges. As I did my schooling from UP board, I was a little bit hesitant and nervous when I came to college. But my teachers and faculty was so supportive. They helped me a lot to boost my confidence, and my classmates, friends were so supportive. So I didn't fear that time. And in the first year, I participated in a fresher fringe. In that I got excellent award and appreciation award that boosted my confidence. So at that time I decided to participate in each and every event which will be organized by inside the campus and outside the campus. From that time, I decided to participate in each and every event, and also organized many events in which I gained many skills like managerial skills, interpersonal skills, and many more skills. And I have organized a campus slide event, TechnoShow, Tricky Circuit, in which a lot of students from different schools participated in it, and I faced a lot of crowd that boosted my confidence and managerial skills. And as I participated in many events and got various appreciation awards from it, so I interacted with a lot of students from different branches, including seniors, and they have very good experience, as they were my seniors. So I got the opportunity to learn from them a lot. And if I'm talking about the lockdown, during the days of lockdown, as my friends are studying in other colleges, they were wandering here and there to find the courses, to learn the new technical skills. But as our college provided us the new platforms, tech platforms, to learn various skills, like, if you all know, AI, artificial intelligence, deep learning, machine learning are the various most updated technical skills which are going to play a very crucial role in future. And we learn from various edtech platforms like Coursera, Automation Anywhere, and many more edtech platforms which were provided by our college campus. So it helps a lot for us, and it helps to face the various challenges in recruitment process also. And from that we learn and have faced many interviews rounds, technical rounds, and got placed in a company which named is Cement. And now I will talk about the aptitude round, GD round, personal development round, and HR round, which is very helpful for us, which is playing a very crucial role in a student life. If you are applying in a MNC, then you will have to face 3 rounds. First round is aptitude round, which is based on test, quantitative test. And second round is GD, group discussion round. Third round is interview. First round, if you are going to face aptitude round, you have to aware from it. You have to attend the classes from colleges provided by the colleges. You have to know the things which are going to ask in the aptitude test. So our college provided us the lectures every week, two lectures every week, which helps a lot to face aptitude test. And the second round is group discussion round and HR round, which means you have to face the group discussion round in recruitment process. So our faculties and personal development faculties were so supportive. They helps a lot to face the group discussion and interviews. They taught us how to face interviews, like how to be well disciplined, how to groom our personality, how to face a crowd, how to maintain eye contact. So we learned a lot from them. Our faculties, our personality development faculties were so supportive. I learned a lot from them, and that was the thing. I was able to speak now. I am able to speak. I am able to speak now. I can speak English with good confidence. But before, when I came to college, I was not able to speak a single word in English. Now I am able to speak. That's the only thing. I attended the classes, pre-VDP classes, aptitude classes. It doesn't mean that if you are good in your own field, that you will face the technical round. If you also have to face the HR round, aptitude round. So you have to attend the classes as well. So it will helps a lot to you. And if I'm talking about the stage fear, I was not able to face the stage. I was not able to face the public crowd. Now I am able to face the public crowd. I can manage the things as well. And that's all about me. Thank you.